It's gonna be a long episode, I'm afraid. And I think we have a DPU. We have a North Pole Flyer.
Because we're going to go that way, right?
Yeah, I think we are. Hey! Ooh, diving. Oh, Shasta. Yes, I know.
What? Oh, is that what you're doing? I saw you when I saw you.
A real caboose, everybody. That is a real one. Red River up here in Colorado on the border. They have one of those inside. Maker. On the main street of town.
The souvenirs are yeah, look, they're coming. I can see.
And we're gonna come up to a railroad crossing, and there's no train horn, so don't listen for the horn. I know it's kind of loud, but I suppose we're coming up to a railroad crossing, and it's a no train horn zone, so don't listen for the horn. But like the locomotive should be entering, the locomotive should be. Well, maybe about now. We are now leaving Cedar Park, Texas.
Ladies and gentlemen, have your attention please. The Austin and Texas Central Railroad would like to welcome you aboard the train. As we prepare for departure, we have a few comfort and safety rules which we'd like to bring to your attention, and that will be strictly enforced. First, there is no smoking anywhere on the train at any time. All passengers must wear shoes when they are not in their seats and walking about the train. Parents are responsible for their children's conduct at all times. Boys and girls, there is no running allowed anywhere on the train. All children who have not reached their 14th birthday may not move about the train unless accompanied by an adult who is 18 years of age or older. When walking through the train, do not step on the yellow painted areas located in the doorways and vestibules between cars. To prevent serious injury, please do not put your head, arms, or anything else out the window. If you wish to have your seat turned or window opened or closed, please ask your car attendant for assistance. Do not attempt to make these changes yourself. If you're standing in the vestibule between cars or taking pictures, always remember to look forward out of the Dutch doors. Finally, alcoholic beverages are not allowed unless provided by a caterer or by the railroad. When alcohol is provided, it may not be taken off the train. Passengers are not allowed to bring and consume personal alcoholic beverages while on the train. Please remember that violation of these rules may result in your removal from the train. Here's some additional information that will make your trip more enjoyable. Passengers should refrain from using bathrooms when the train is stopped at the station. The restrooms will only be open when the train is in motion. Please help keep the train clean by using the trash cans in every car. All tickets, please. The conductor will be coming through the train shortly, so please have them out and ready for inspection. The concession car is now open, selling your favorite soft drinks, snacks, and souvenirs. On behalf of our entire crew today, I'd like to thank you for riding with us. So now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the trip. All aboard!
Passengers, welcome aboard the North Pole Flyer. This is David, your crew chief. We're mighty glad to have you riding with us. Let me emphasize one thing that the man said, and that is when you walk between cars, by all means, step over the yellow painted area because that's where the cars meet and you don't want to be pinched. For the passengers in the Buckeye Trail, the Buckeye Lake, and the Silver Pine, your hot chocolate is available in the concession car, which is the second car behind the engine. It is complimentary on this run. All you want, you can have. So, for those in these first three chair cars, head for the concession car to get your hot chocolate. In the lounge cars, the hot chocolate is provided by your car attendant. So, enjoy! This is the one time in your life you have all the chocolate you want. Again, welcome aboard. Thank you. Have a great trip.
Wow.
I guess so that they don't run them while they stop.
I think it's really
If you look down high, you can see the hot chocolate. You want Papa to go with you to get a hot chocolate?
Sure. I'm gonna go get some hot chocolate. We're going to cross the railroad. Hey, Nikki, we're going to cross the railroad crossing, guys.
Alright, so who needs to be run up?
You can maybe see the lights.
Let me stick here, I got a straw for you.
Those are railroad crossing. All the cars are waiting. Because it's been yeah, so the cars have to wait. Yeah, because it's the law. Railroad crossing. No railroad crossing. I gotta see that. All the cars wait. Crossing. Look. It says no left turn train. No left turn train. It looks like we're coming out to a mini crossing. Look. A mini.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I guess it's not too many. Oh, it's non-graded. Look, there's a sign that says that we must be coming up, and I see stoplights. The cars are going way faster than the train.
We're taking a nice little slow ride. Very cool.
You want to take a slow ride or a fast ride? Would you want a slow ride or a fast ride?
Like a medium ride.
Look,
It's crossing.
yeah. It's funny, it says no left turn train. No left turn because of a train.
You want to bite of my food?
No. I want my hot chocolate to be cooled down. Are we stopping? What?
You just drink it out of the cup.
No, it's steaming. It's steaming. No,
It's only because it's cold in here. I just got my lips right down by it. You can tell it's just warm.
let me see. Oh my God, that's hot. If you can feel any, no, it's not hot. If you can feel any heat, it's too hot. I'm not.
We'll be approaching the Lee station shortly. Please make sure that the upper Dutch door, the vestibule, on the right side of the train is closed. Thank you.
Hey,
Yes, we just stopped and now we're going. Yup, there's a crossing coming up.
whoa.
There's a sign that says there's a stoplight. Like there's a stoplight, there's a crossing. There's a railroad crossing. Look out to the side. Look out the window. There's another crossing.
There's a lot of crossing.
Again, no left turn because of a train.
Why do you want hot chocolate if you're not going to drink it at the time? You should try them cold chocolate.
No one. Laughing is what kills me. Laughing is what organs do.
Well, if you used to it, when people say something funny, they usually laugh.
Well, I don't think it's funny. People laugh because they're chunky jokes. You can hear his horn. Listen. You can hear his horn.
Our attendants, note the train is passing the clearance at this point, so you can open it as soon as it's done. Thank you.
What do you say?
It's okay to open up the doors. Yeah, for the windows and the doors. I don't know why they had to be closed there.
Signal, but does anyone want to go into?
Yeah, I'll go.
Oh, great timing.
Okay, flip over the yellow.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry. That's all right. No, thank you. Okay, now
I hear this one. Don't push me. I heard the bells.
I did too.
This was great timing. I walk out and I hear, and I could hear that really good.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that's how much they're supposed to honk. Look, another
Put it on
crossing.
fire so you can get your video.
Another crossing.
That one didn't have bells, did it?
No, that's because it's a mini crossing.
Whoa! We're on the train.
Whoa. Whoa.
Worker cars. See them? Could you see those?
Yes.
Aren't they?
And those people even stopped.
You want to hang on to balance a little?
Just if you spread your feet out a little bit, that helps.
If I what?
If you spread your feet
Oh yeah,
out.
it does, doesn't it? It helps you keep your balance.
I don't think there's any crossings.
You want to go in there and get a snack or anything?
Let's do that when Dylan and Nikki come.
Okay. You want to go back?
No,
Oh, you want to wait?
I want to see some crossings.
Oh, okay. Kind of slowing down, aren't we?
Maybe. Okay,
Can I get your picture standing here by the window?
do you even have your phone?
Uh-huh.
I'm not posing.
You don't have to. I just like to get a picture of the video. I believe I should come up to a crossing. Let me get here real quick. Oh, that'd be good.
Wayfarers.
Can you see rail faders?
No, but maybe they're wrong because I hear them honking.
Oh.
Did you hear?
Need a tissue?
Did you hear? He was like honk 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 honk.
Your nose is red. Is your nose
I don't
sore?
care. Whoa! The stand as close to the door as you can. Challenge while there are locks. While there are
Put our
locks.
hands out.
Yeah, we're not allowed to.
No.
Because if we lost our hands, then we wouldn't have our hands anymore.
No.
We'll just be laying alongside of the track. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. We're going by so fast.
Look at all the tree colors.
Yeah. Okay. Watch. Maybe we'll see an animal.
A what?
An animal.
Oh, maybe.
I really am like getting dizzy.
You are?
All these like
That
trees.
way. Oh, yeah, because everything's kind of close to us. You want to walk back for a while?
No,
Maybe.
I don't.
Oh, Papa might want to come up here with you.
Well, they can come out if they want to. I'll go back in like 15 minutes.
Okay.
Then I'll come back for another 30 minutes.
All right.
Okay.
Mommy might want to come stand here with you, too.
No, she'll just want to take pictures
Well, that's all right. It's fun to take pictures on the train ride.
of me. So she'll just do it of me.
And we need to be in there when Santa comes.
Perfect. This is where the coupling is. Underneath our feet.
Yep, that's where the coupling is. Look down in that hole. Can you see the train going? See underneath? Look over there.
Yeah, oh, crossing, you missed it. Yes, I can see. But how do I make it to where these are? Okay, don't.
Oh, I thought you dropped your phone.
No, but I almost did.
See, my cookie.
Can you just go back a little bit? Honk, honk. Scoot back. God. No fish. You're squishing me.
me to move over here?
No, because what I'm trying to say is scoot back.
Well, I can't be in the aisle.
Why?
Because there's people go in between the cars.
Look, we might. Oh, we might need another train.
Really?
It sounds like it. Like we might need another train. Like where two trains come together.
That would be cool.
Or maybe it's just something I hear. Do you hear that?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
You want to hang on to my hand?
No,
Okay.
I'm not big.
I know, I just was helping you balance.
Ah.
There's somebody's house.
Yeah, in the middle of nowhere. There's a fence there.
There is?
Yeah, there was.
Oh, I see it.
Is this all their property?
It is, I bet. There might be several different places.
Okay. So I guess they own all these, like.
Yeah, it might be different families.
Fence. Okay. We're coming out to a railroad
Oh,
crossing.
good.
I think, unless there's that teeny tiny one. Okay. Oh, there's some other cars. Gondolas.
Oh, the door's locked. He's good.
Oh, I know. But you just kind of move right in with all.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
Oh, look at here.
Sorry.
Say hi, Amelia. Amelia, say hi. Say hi. Hi, Amelia. Wow, did you see that?
Train me. Better no train.
We can get him to come stand with you.
Maybe. Hey, can we go with you? Yep, that was the loudest noise I ever hear. Yeah. Hey Dylan, I waved at all those people in the. Did you wave at all those people in the trailer? Yeah, me too. Yeah, you gotta keep your hands inside the train. You can't. Yeah. You gotta only wave like that. You can't stick your hands out. But this is just the loudest. This is that's a loud horn. Loud horn showtime! Is it a K5 LLA horn? Good. What kind of horn is it? It's a diesel train. It's a diesel horn. Yeah, but what type of horn? Like, is it a K5 LLA? I don't know. I don't know, Anson. Ah, see that steam? It's looking for the train. Maybe. Yeah, but at least he stopped and he didn't go around the lights. Yes. Yeah. Some people do that. I guess. But it's against the law.
And I was in heaven because they had.
Oh look! Mom! An antenna!
And they're fighting. They all get together and they live, Veronica lives in that condominium in the 8th floor, another one in the 3rd floor. Oh, what's all that purpose? I know, but I can carry you from here. And you're great. By yourself? And they See now? There, is that better? You can see better. Okay, yes, Shanna. Yeah, her name is Shanna. My boys had a babysitter for 3 years named Shanna. Oh! And they love her so much that my husband hired her after she graduated from high school as a part-time job while she was in college at the UT. Oh! And she's graduating next year. I'm like, did really that happen?
This is the other side.
And the boys' birthdays are close together, right?
Yes, he's on the 24th, and Dylan is never 24th.
Together again.
Mom, one over. Orange show. Guys, he didn't even pass the horn. And now you're saying, I love horn shows, don't you? Yeah. Did you know that I put videos on YouTube? Videos on YouTube. You'll look at my mouth and my hands when I'm all cheesy. And me when I'm all Doritos.
Did you guys, can you share with Anson? You asked Anson what's up? Sure. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Did you know that?
Did you say
They were Doritos. Thank you. Did you know that I upload Doritos? Horn show.
Horn show. They'll do another horn show soon, I'm sure.
I got $1. $1 for the Doritos.
$1 for the Doritos. Yeah. They're so cute in their little house. He's growing out of that one though, so he said next year he is going to be an elf and Dylan will be that one. I got it on Amazon Prime for $6. No. The whole thing. But he put it on and as soon as he put it on, it was on. Oh yeah. And it was like paper. Yeah.